Hello everyone. Again I am talking about the resistance. Today's factors on which resistance depends, or otherwise the same is called as the laws of resistance. Number one, resistance R is directly proportional to length of the conductor, that is R proportional to L. It means resistance increases with the increase in the length and decreases with the decrease in the length. The second one is resistance of conductor is inversely proportional to area of cross section of conductor, that is R proportional to 1 by A. If area of cross section increases, resistance decreases and vice versa. Resistance of conductor is directly proportional to temperature variation. Why? Because every metal is temperature coefficient of resistance material. It means it increases when the temperature increases in length. If the length is increased, the meaning is temperature is also increasing. Because T and L, they are directly proportional to each other, finally the resistance will be also increasing. The fourth point is resistance depends upon nature of the material. It means it changes from material to material. It will not remain constant for all the materials. It's depending upon the atomic bonding of the individual metals. Combining rule 1 and 2, we get R proportional to L by A. Then R proportional to proportionality sign, if it is removed, you will get a Greek letter rho. That R will be equal to rho L by A, where rho is a Greek letter called as specific resistance or resistivity. Therefore, rho will be equal to RA by L, which will be measured in ohm millimeter or in ohm centimeter or ohm meter, depending upon the length and area of cross section of the material through which the current is passing and opposed by that particular area. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.